Hello, fabulous friends. Well, Julie Janasi here. Winter is around the corner, and Mary Kay, we are ready for it. So get ready for the awesome new products that are coming for winter. This is the new winter catalog that's happening, but let me share with you a few of my favorites from this new line. First, the Shimmer eyeshadow sticks. Oh my goodness. These are replacing the liquid eyeshadows, and let me just tell you, you are going to be so excited. They are so simple to apply, and there's 5 vibrant colors. Check out and see which ones are your favorites. First, they are so simple to use. You just open them up, twist it, and you apply. Look at that shimmer. This one is called Pink Prisms. This one, Radiant Bronze. They go on so silky and smooth, and you can just apply it with your applicator. You can blend it with a brush or even smudge it with your finger while it's wet. And then once it dries, it is staying for good until you use your oil-free eye makeup remover to take that off. So Radiant Bronze, this one is Golden Sunset. Next we have Copper Nova. This one is one of my favorites too. Look at that shine. It's so beautiful. It's almost like a rose gold or something, this Copper Nova. And then this one is Midnight Galaxy. So beautiful. So all 5 of these shades come in the eyeshadow shimmer stick, and they are fun. They'll be available on the website starting November 16th. Next, we have Great Heights Mascara Waterproof. This one is replacing our current waterproof mascara, and I think you're going to be a fan because the bristles have a lot of little spikes to help separate the lashes. It's also going to help make your lashes look longer and fuller. You can layer this mascara to give you even more effect. You can also put it over your favorite mascara to help it stay waterproof. So the Great Heights Mascara has that vitamin B formula to help condition your lashes and make them feel amazing and look amazing too. Lastly, my new favorite skincare product, Clinical Barrier Restore 113. This one is awesome. If you suffer from skin redness, dryness, itchiness, texture, just overall sensitivity, you might have a compromised skin barrier, and steps in Clinical Restore Barrier 113. You are going to be so excited about this. What it does is helps protect your skin from the environment with the ratio. It's 1 part fatty acids, 1 part ceramide, and 3 parts cholesterol. This mimics our skin's natural barrier to help keep moisture in, hydration in, and all of the bad things out. They have shown studies it is result in less than 3 hours, and the redness can be decreased in about 2 weeks. You're going to use this before your moisturizer, and you just do 1 pump all over your face to help improve that skin barrier and overall health. It's a perfect time of year since it's winter, and that is when our skin really suffers from the weather, the dryness, and just overall the environment. So with the holidays here, with winter in tow, you have lots of fun options for you to get together with your consultant, play with some new products, update your skincare routine, make sure you have the right foundation shade, and check out all of the fun new goodies. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.